This video is reviewing this requirement, Short Message LinkedIn Case Studies, Chapters 7, 8, and 9. You click here, you have the directions. This activity has two parts. One is written, and one is a video presentation. The written is based on a case study with all the directions found in this document. And it's 3 emails. One will be persuasive, one will be routine, and one will be negative. They're all based on a case scenario. I think you, as working adults, will recognize all 3 scenarios in basically using email communication to manage change. Submit your work here as one document. Please do not submit it as a PDF. It becomes difficult for me in Blackboard, especially if I want to make a video reply to you. This is where you would click on it to see the work. So let's click. It's due Sunday, November 24th at midnight. The written activity is worth 75 points. The rubric is found here. When you make your video presentation, and the description is specific here, please follow the directions. You'll submit it here. And again, you'll find the evaluation rubric. If you have technical issues with the video, please contact Tiger Tech. Let's take a look. Same thing. There's the rubric. I hope this 2-minute video has answered any questions you may have.